Hello, you beautiful human. I am Xanthi, and I am Amanda Gulik's daughter. I, this year, baked her a cake and decorated it because we're in quarantine right now, so I was like, why not make an extravagant cake? It isn't super extravagant, but I hope you enjoy it. If you don't know, she had double lung pneumonia, and so ever since her coma about 4 years ago, she has been working on building up her lung strength again. I decided to make her a cake that is lungs and then kind of make it into beautiful trees. So I hope you enjoy this video. I got to my rack and I'm just going to clean up the edges a bit before I start piping on the main element of the cake. And there we go. All nice and clean. Now ready to pipe the top. So I just sectioned off the rest of the icing that I have. I have a little bit more for the black outline that I'm going to be doing, and then a little bit less for the blue for the flowers. And the tips that I have is a circle tip for the outline of the actual lungs, and it's number 8. And then the other one I have is a star tip for the flowers, and I'm using a number 14. Now time to add color. We have our blackish gray. It looks kind of green on screen, but it's more gray in person. And then we have our blue. So this tip is for this one, and this tip is for this one. And now we just have to put the black / gray into this piping bag, and I'll show you a trick for that. If you do anything, you need to put this guy inside of here, so then you put this guy on top of it, like that. So now that I have a tip on, I'm going to get a cup, put this in the cup. So let's use this cup. You put it inside, and then I'll show you what you do after. Basically, you put the tip in, and then you fold the edges over, so then you have a nice little hole to put it in, so then when you bring it up, there's no icing on the outside, so it's much less messy. So you take a scoop of this, you put it inside, and then you go up and you push up against the thing, but I'm using one hand, so it's kind of hard to do. Now you can see that I've cleared that bowl, and then I put this on. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. And then you have that, you lift it up, and then you squish it all down to the bottom. So you always want to do a test first. So I knew that it's good, but my hand is very shaky because I'm only using one hand. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to line this up, and I'm first going to do a line like this for the top of the lungs. Okay. And then I'm going to go down. We're going to fill it in anyway. And then I'm going to do this. I'm just going to fill it in. You can fill it in however you want. I'm just doing it this way since all of the icing is already in the bag. It's a good workout for your arms. Whew. Okay, kind of just over here and go up a bit. And I guess you can go like from the end in instead of going from the end to the end. You can also use a smaller tip to make it like finer lines. I'm basing it off of a painting that I did. And then you kind of just do random lines. doing this, you can kind of just think about what a tree looks like, because you're basically drawing a tree that is upside down. Lungs are very similar to trees, which is why you usually see pictures of lungs that people have made with flowers on them, which is what I'm going to try to do today. Gosh darn it, this guy is not working. Boop, boop. I just put the blue in. We had some black left over, but I put the blue in. I changed the tip. I had to wash the bag and everything. And I have my lung outline, and now I'm going to add the blue flowers. Ta-da! That's the kind of thing I'm going to do. Oh goodness. Okay. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed this video.